Welcome to Electronism, where innovation meets curiosity. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of electronics. We'll explore the fundamental building blocks of circuits, active and passive components. Let's get started.
Active components are devices that can control the flow of electricity. They have the ability to amplify signals, produce energy, or control the direction of current. These components typically require an external power source to operate.
Now let us move toward the examples. Transistor, Diode, Integrated Circuit IC, Photodiode.
Passive components are essential elements in electronic circuits that do not require an external power source to operate and cannot amplify or generate electrical signals. Instead, they store or dissipate energy.
Now let us move toward the examples. Resistor, Capacitor, Inductor, Relay.